Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basic English. Today our material is asking about family. 1. What is your name?
1. What is your name?
2. Where do you live?
2. Where do you live?
3. How old are you?
3. How old are you?
4. Do you have any brother?
4. Do you have any brother?
5. How many brothers do you have?
5. How many brother do you have?
6. What is your brother's name?
6. What is your brother's name?
7. Do you have any sister?
7. Do you have any sister?
8. How many sisters do you have?
8. How many sister do you have?
9. What is your sister's name?
9. What is your sister's name?
10. What is your mother's name?
10. What is your mother's name?
11. How old is your mother?
11. How old is your mother?
12. What is your mother's job?
12. What is your mother's job?
13. What is your father's name?
13. What is your father's name?
14. How old is your father?
14. How old is your father?
15. What is your father's job?
15. What is your father's job?
16. Do you have grandfather?
16. Do you have a grandfather?
17. How old is your grandfather?
17. How old is your grandfather?
18. Do you have grandmother?
18. Do you have grandmother?
19. How old is your grandmother?
19. How old is your grandmother?
20. Love your family.
20. Do you love
Okay
your
everyone,
family?
that is the basic English today. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.